Hello everyone, so today we're going to be installing a JLT Series 2 intake on this beautiful 2012 Mustang 50. If you have any questions throughout the install, just let us know in the comments and we'll try to reply to you the best we can on any questions you may have. Now, if you do enjoy the content, just make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll get right into this. So right here we're going to start with removing the factory cold air intake or any other intake you may have previously installed on it. Now we're going to start by removing this bolt right here.
Alright, the next step is remove the hose off the cold air intake. That is the automatic line. So right here's I believe an oil tap line to the valve covers, and then we've already removed this, but this is a sound hose line that goes to the cab. We've already capped it off over there, and we'll install a cap on the new intake there. Alright, after you've done that, loosen all of these clamps there, and there's one back here on the throttle body. Once you've loosened these and done all the steps before, you should be able to remove the intake.
So now that everything is off, we're going to start with the heat shield, and we're going to plug in this right down here, right where you can get that air intake from right there, and it should be able to align with where you're going to put in the bolt in right here. And we'll go ahead and get that in tight, and then we'll just use a 10mm to finish it off. So once you get everything all assembled together, we are then going to just slide it in on the throttle body. And then that should go ahead and be nice and tucked right into the heat shield.
Alright, next we're going to tighten these fasteners on the throttle body and on the actual intake part. So you just twist it until it's tight enough to where it's not going to come off. Then we're going to come right over here to the intake and give it a couple twists, make sure she's not nice and tight, and then the intake's installed. Alright, next and finally, with this intake before tuning, we're going to reinstall the hoses to the intake. So first, you're going to slide this hose on, make sure it's nice and stuck. See that fastener? It slides back and around, and you slide that on. You slide this on. Normally this would clip, but this is broke, so we'll have to tape it so that slides on good. And then we're going to take this cap right here, which closes off the sound tube line, and slide it right over that hole so that it's nice and tight and there's no leaks in the intake.
Okay, so our final step right here before we get it all installed, we're going to put in our mass airflow sensor, and we'll just go ahead and set that on in, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it in with our screws. Alright everyone, so I'm going to be using my BAMA Rev-X tuner to install the JLT Series 2 intake tune. Let's begin. Alright, so here we are. We're about to program the vehicle. We're going to go to intake airbox and go from our stock airbox or whatever airbox you already have on, and we're going to go down to our JLT Series 2. Okay, and now it's ready. That's all we're going to do, and we're going to approve.